Hello class 2 children. How are you? Last time we did spelling with letter A. Today we are going to learn spellings with letter B. But before that we had some I had asked you all to form words with 9 letters that I had given it, right? What were those words? Have you framed? Okay, now let's see the other thing that I'm going to ask you. You answer me in the mail or in my comment box. Okay, and this is a funny riddle. What room has no walls, ceiling, floor or window? So, what room has no walls, floor, ceiling or window? So you send me the answer in my in the mail ID or the comment box. So today now we will begin with the spellings with letter B. What are the words? Okay, let's take the first one. Okay, let's know what does the baker do? They bake cake and what? Bread. And where do they make all this? Bake cake and the bread? They bake it in the bakery. Okay, they have got a big oven, not like that we have at home, but there's a place where they have got a big bakery and there they bake cake and bread. Next word is battery. Okay, next is battery. Now you all know what is battery. We use it in what? In your toys or in the torch. And what the spelling? B-A-T-T-E-R-Y. Battery. Now basement. B-A-S-E. Base. M-E-N-T. Ment. Basement. So the basement is the floor of the building. Below that the big entire space is there. Okay, so what we see in in many of the malls, people park their vehicles. So that is what basement. So we can use this sentence as the boy went down this the boy went. So the word is basement. Okay, the boy went down the stairs into the basement. So these days in the mall we do the parking of vehicles in the basement. That is just below the that is below the floor of the building. Now number 4, bathroom. So 2 separate words coming together, bathroom. Now number 5 is beard. So here is the beard. Remember we have done in English language he group and she group, male and female. So male has got beard. Now let's see number 6, beast. East and then you have written east and then just add B, beast. Now beast is what? You have heard that story? The Beauty and the Beast? Yes, that is what beast is. Okay, beast. Now next is number 7. Blacksmith. You know who's called blacksmith? So blacksmith is a person who makes objects from iron. You know, they make it very hot and then they give like iron rod. We have the nails, hammer. These are all made of iron, and by the help of this blacksmith. Number 8, blame. Blame is like what we do among our friends. We blame someone even if he has not done. We go and complain to the teacher, ma'am, he has done like this. We try to throw blame on others. So it is B-L-A-M-E, blame. Number 9, blast. Last and then you add B to in front of L, blast. Simple to remember. And the meaning is what? What happens? Have you heard this word? When? So blast means what? Break apart and with a very loud noise. Number 10, link and then you add B before L. Blink. What do you mean by blink? Blink your eyes. Remember what we do? Sometimes we do exercise. We blink our eyes to make our eyesight strong. So blink is what? Open and close your eyes. We do like this, right? Open, close, right? So we blink our eyes like this. So it's very simple spelling. Book, B-O-O-K, book, and L-E-T, let, booklet. So booklet is it is a little book with few pages. Okay, and not book is thick and it has got publication number of pages mentioned there. Okay, but whereas for booklet only few pages will be added to that book with the cover and all. Okay. Next is breakable. Breakable is very simple. Break, B-R-E-A-K, break, and able, which easily breaks, right? So that is the word breakable. Now bridge. Now we have seen bridge. The next word is bridge. We have seen bridge, where usually it is made over the rivers. So connecting from one area to the other over the rivers. Okay, the last one is budge. B-U-D-G-E. Budge means movement of a person from from one place. He did not budge from his place. That means he did not move from his place. So this is what we have learned today. The words with letter B. Bakery, battery, basement, bathroom, beard, beast, blacksmith, blame, blast, blink, booklet, breakable, bridge, and budge. I hope children you will copy down in your English your spelling copy, and then do remember all these words. These are very simple words that I have given.